Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Olaplex Kit is probably one of the most hyped hair repair treatments on the market, promising to reverse damage and restore your hair's health. But does it live up to the expectations? In today's video, we're diving deep into the Olaplex No. 3, 4, 5, and 6 bond maintenance system, putting it to the test to see if it's worth the investment and exploring whether it truly delivers on its claims of repairing damaged hair, improving hair texture and manageability, and providing long-lasting results. Number 5. Olaplex No. 8 Hair Mask. This is Olaplex No. 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. It's designed to add smoothness and nourishment, leaving your hair visibly healthier. It provides intense moisture, repairing damage and improving the overall health of your hair. You'll notice a significant difference in softness and shine. This mask nourishes and repairs damaged hair, leaving it feeling stronger and healthier. It's suitable for all hair types. Experience incredible smoothness and shine after each use. It helps to detangle and improve manageability. Whether your hair is fine, thick, curly, or straight, this mask will benefit you. It's perfect for all hair types and concerns. See and feel the difference. It transforms your hair, leaving it looking and feeling healthier and more vibrant. What we like? It deeply nourishes and smooths your hair, leaving it visibly healthy. If you have dry, damaged hair and want intense hydration, this is perfect for you. This mask is ideal for achieving that silky smooth, healthy look and feel. What people say? It leaves my hair looking beautifully smooth, soft, and healthy. I have color-treated hair, and this mask does wonders for restoring moisture and reducing damage. After just one use, I noticed my hair felt silkier and more manageable. It's lightweight yet super nourishing, without weighing down my hair. The Olaplex No. 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask is a highly effective hair treatment that provides deep conditioning and hydration. Utilizing Olaplex's patented bond-building technology, it helps repair and strengthen hair from the inside out, making it ideal for those with damaged or chemically treated hair. The mask also contains ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, and sunflower seed oil, which contribute to its moisturizing and smoothing effects. Users have noted that this mask leaves hair feeling soft, shiny, and full without weighing it down, making it suitable for various hair types, including fine and curly hair. This will get your hair back in shape quick after the first use. Nice for weekly moisturizing and repair. Number 4. Number 3 Hair Perfector Treatment. This concentrated treatment is specially formulated to repair and strengthen dry, damaged hair. It's perfect for all hair types. Does your hair feel brittle and lackluster? This treatment will help restore its health and shine. It penetrates deep into the hair shaft to repair damage and strengthen each strand from the inside out. With regular use, you'll see a significant improvement in the overall health and appearance of your hair. It will be softer, smoother, and more manageable. Whether your hair is fine, thick, curly, or straight, this treatment will work wonders. It's versatile and effective for everyone. This bottle contains 3.3 fluid ounces of concentrated hair-perfecting goodness. A little goes a long way. What we like? This treatment is concentrated to repair and strengthen even the most damaged hair. If you are looking for intense repair and strengthening, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those with severely damaged hair needing a powerful boost. What people say? My hair is 3 to 4 inches past my shoulders and I've been using about half a bottle on my hair for each treatment. I have treated my hair roughly twice a week since I bleached it about a month ago and my hair is silky and shiny again. My hair is now well past my shoulders, thick, and very healthy. I started to see new hair growth and an obvious difference in appearance after about a month. Overall, I went from a man's military, high and tight, to shoulder-length hair in about 18 months. Number 3. Olaplex No. 5 Conditioner. This conditioner is a game-changer for all hair types. It repairs damage, strengthens strands, and leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft and shiny. It's formulated to repair damaged hair, restoring its health and vibrancy. Say goodbye to breakage and hello to stronger, healthier locks. It strengthens your hair from the inside out, while also providing deep nourishment. This helps to prevent future damage and keeps your hair looking its best. Experience the luxurious softness and radiant shine that it provides. Your hair will feel incredibly smooth and look healthier than ever before. No matter your hair type, this conditioner is perfect for you. It's versatile and effective for everyone. It's the ultimate solution for healthy, beautiful hair. Discover the difference today. What we like. It repairs, strengthens, and nourishes all hair types, leaving it soft and shiny. If you want a daily conditioner that improves hair health, this is a great choice. It's perfect for maintaining healthy, shiny hair with regular use. What people say. After just one wash, it already made a huge difference with my hair. It was much softer, silkier, and shinier. A game changer for my hair care routine. It leaves my hair feeling incredibly soft, hydrated, and noticeably stronger after just a few uses. The formula is lightweight yet nourishing, making it perfect for repairing damaged ends without weighing my hair down. Plus, the added shine is a bonus that makes my hair look salon fresh every day. As an intermittent hair treatment, this shampoo and conditioner is fantastic. I don't use it every day. When my hair has that fried feeling, these products are amazing. Number 2. Olaplex No. 4 Bond Shampoo. This is Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. It's designed to repair, strengthen, and nourish all hair types. It gently cleanses while repairing damaged hair bonds. Say goodbye to breakage and hello to stronger, healthier hair. It strengthens hair from the inside out, leaving it feeling nourished and revitalized. Experience the difference. It adds incredible shine and leaves your hair feeling unbelievably soft and smooth. You'll love the results. It's suitable for all hair types, so everyone can enjoy its benefits. It's gentle enough for everyday use. This is the perfect shampoo for anyone looking to improve the health and appearance of their hair. Try it today. What we like. This shampoo repairs, strengthens, and nourishes, leaving hair soft and shiny. If you need a daily shampoo that improves hair health, this is a great option. It's perfect for maintaining healthy, shiny hair with daily use. What people say. Olaplex No. 4 effectively repairs the damage frequently associated with dyeing and heat styling. Its bond-building technology not only fortifies hair from within but also ensures long-lasting resilience. Within a few washes, I observed a significant improvement in the definition and reduced susceptibility to breakage of my curls, thereby transforming the overall texture and strength of my hair. Olaplex No. 4 provides a thorough cleansing without compromising the hair's natural oils, which are paramount for maintaining hydration in curly hair. The gentle formulation ensures that my hair feels clean and refreshed, while simultaneously preventing dryness or brittleness, thereby preserving its natural bounce and shine. It's concentrated so a little goes a long way, offering great value and ensuring the bottle lasts. Hair is left shiny, smooth, and my hairbrush glides through it. Number 1. Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. This is Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil, your new secret weapon for healthy, shiny hair. It's a concentrated, high-shine oil that will transform your locks. See how it leaves your hair with a radiant shine. It's designed to improve the overall health and appearance of your hair. It's more than just shine, it protects your hair from heat styling damage. This helps to prevent split ends and breakage. You'll love how lightweight it feels. It won't weigh your hair down or leave it feeling greasy. Use it as the final step in your hair care routine for a sleek, polished look. It's the perfect finishing touch for any style. With Olaplex No. 7, you get both incredible shine and essential heat protection. It's the ultimate multitasking hair oil. What we like. It adds shine and protects against heat damage. If you like to style your hair with heat tools and want to add shine, this is for you. It's perfect for maintaining healthy, shiny hair while protecting it from heat styling. What people say. The oil is light but highly effective, and you only need a tiny amount for noticeable results. It works as a detangler, protects against heat, and even helps my hair dry faster. My hair feels incredibly smooth, and the effect lasts all day. The frizz is under control, and my hair maintains a sleek, polished look from morning to night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.